Hey guys, welcome to lesson 4. I want you to pause the video and try the warm-up. So the warm-up says, given that f and g are differentiable everywhere, g is the inverse of f and that f of 3 is given to us. I'm going to write these at the same time. What does that mean? This is my original point. My derivative is 6, f prime of 4 is this, find g of 4. Okay. Not always the information that's given to you is being used. So when I say g of 4, so what is, remember, this is the original y. So if this is the y, what would be my x? It would be 1 over f prime of 3, right? So what is f prime of 3, which is 1 over 6. So that's your answer. So basically, this information, I really didn't need it, right? So it just was given to you to throw you off. So be very careful with what you are, how you approach these questions. Example 3. So it says, if m is a continuous and differentiable function with some values given by the table, evaluate m inverse prime of 2 over 3. Again, go very slow with these questions. They're not really hard. It's just understanding which one is y and what are we looking for. So I know this is my original y. So I already know that my y coordinate is this. I need to find my x coordinate. The function's not given to you here, so you need to really understand or know how to read the table. So again, this is your x coordinate and this is basically your y coordinate. Do you agree? This is your m function, your original function. So these are your points. So when y is 2 over 3, my corresponding x point is 1/2. Okay, what is this? Do you agree this is the slope, right? So slope at each individual point. So these are your derivatives. So the last column is the derivative. So please know how to read it, right? So now let's look at this. I want to find m inverse prime of 2 over 3, which would be what? 1 over, it's the m function. Keep going back to f. M prime of what? What was the corresponding x? 1/2. So which would be, so what was the derivative there? It was 5 over 4. So 1 over 5 over 4, which is 4/5. So that is your answer. Okay, so I want to do another example with you. So it's saying f of 4 equals 5. So my point is 4, 5. F prime of 4 is what? 2/3. So the value or the derivative or the slope at 4 is 2/3. So it's asking us to calculate f inverse prime of 5. Remember, 5 is the original y. I'm going to write that down again. So what is the corresponding x to it? It is going to be 4, right? So it's going to be the derivative of f prime of 4, which is already given to us 1 over 2 over 3, which is 3/2. So that's basically it, guys. These questions do take a little bit of time. There's not much to do, but just understanding what is given and how to use that given to find your answer. So finish up problem set 4 and study for your quiz. Good luck.